everyone, this is Faye. Many customers want to know how to install the graphics to our new Chromix RGB frame. You can attach the graphic to the frame with the silicon strip without tools. You can use the remote control to change the colors of the RGB frame. This frame can be installed with the double-sided RGB, and you can choose the LED kit on the bottom and top. Use it for the SEG lightbox frame. Our Lintel display offers one-stop service, no MOQ, free design, printing service. If you want to know more, just follow me.